Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. That is Learn Computer Science with Manik Sharma. Today I am going to discuss a very interesting topic, that is Chat GPT. Chat GPT is a chatbot launched by OpenAI in November 2022. Here GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Chat GPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI that can be used for natural language processing tasks such as text generation and language translation. It is based on the GPT 3.5 model. This AI-supported chatbot is supposed to churn out answer to the biggest and smallest question in life, like drop college essay, fictional stories, and even job application letters. One of the key features of ChatGPT is its ability to generate human-like text responses to prompts. This makes it useful for a wide range of applications such as creating chatbot for customer services, generating responses to questions in online forum, or even creating personalized content for social media posts. Let us understand the brief working of ChatGPT. ChatGPT was created by well-known artificial intelligence-based company known as OpenAI. GPT 3.5 was trained on massive amount of data about code and information from the internet, including sources like Reddit discussion, to help ChatGPT learn dialogue and attain a human style of responding. Because of this kind of training, ChatGPT may challenge certain question and discard part of the question that do not make any sense. ChatGPT can be used for wide range of natural language processing tasks. Some of the potential application of this chatbot are text generation, language translation, text summarization, sentiment analysis. So let's understand how this chatbot is applicable to these applications. ChatGPT can be used to generate human-like text responses to prompt, which make it useful for creating chatbot for customer services, generating responses to questions in online forum, or even creating personalized content for social media posts. With this kind of system, one can also use this system for language translation task by providing the model with text prompt in one language and specifying the target language. The model can generate accurate and fluent translation of the text. ChatGPT can also be used to generate summaries of long document or articles. This can be useful for quickly getting an overview of a text without having to read the entire document. Finally, this can also be used for sentiment analysis. That is, ChatGPT can be used to analyze the sentiment of a given text. This can be useful for understanding the overall tone and emotion of a piece of writing, or for detecting the sentiment of a customer feedback in order to improve the customer satisfaction. Now, let's understand the weaknesses of ChatGPT. This system is specifically programmed not to provide toxic or harmful responses, so it will avoid answering those kind of questions. An important limitation of ChatGPT is that the quality of the output depends on the quality of the input. That is, garbage in, garbage out. In other words, expert direction generate better. Another limitation is that because it is trained to provide answer that feel right to human, the answer can trick human that the output is correct. Last, many users discovered that ChatGPT can provide incorrect answer, including some that are widely incorrect. Please do like and share this video. For more update and technical insight of computer science, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.